Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about Introduction about Engineering Drawing and Projections. Engineering Drawing. Introduction. An engineering drawing is a type of technical drawing used to fully and clearly define requirements for engineered items, and is usually created in accordance with standardized conventions for layout, nomenclature, interpretation, appearance, size, etc. Its purpose is to accurately and unambiguously capture all the geometric features of a product or a component. The end goal of an engineering drawing is to convey all the required information that will allow a manufacturer to produce that component. Purpose of an engineering drawing. 1. An engineering drawing is not an illustration. 2. It is a specification of the size and shape of a part or assembly. 3. The important information on a drawing is the dimension and tolerance of all of its features. Elements of engineering drawing. Engineering drawing are made up of graphics language and word language. Graphics language. Describe a shape. Mainly. Word language. Describe size, location, and specification of the object. Projection method. Projection method. Projection theory. The projection theory is used to graphically represent 3D objects on 2D media, paper, computer screen. The projection theory is based on two variables. 1. Line of sight. 2. Plane of projection, image plane or picture plane. Line of sight is an imaginary ray of light between an observer's eye and an object. Line of sight. Parallel projection. Line of sight. Perspective projection. There are two types of line of sight, parallel and converge. Plane of projection is an imaginary flat plane which the image is created. The image is produced by connecting the points where the loci pierce the projection plane. Disadvantage of perspective projection. Perspective projection is not used by engineer for manufacturing golf parts, because it is difficult to create. It does not reveal exact shape and size. Width is distorted. Orthographic projection. Orthographic comes from the Greek word for straight writing, or drawing. This projection shows the object as it looks from the front, right, left, top, bottom, or back, and are typically positioned relative to each other according to the rules of either first angle or third angle projection. Pictorial. Three-dimensional representations. 1 point. 1 vanishing point. Lines that are not vertical or horizontal converge to single point in distance. 2 point or 3 point. 2 or 3 vanishing points. With 2 points, vertical or horizontal lines parallel, but not both. With 3 point, no lines are parallel. Isometric. Drawing shows corner of object, but parallel lines on object are parallel in drawing. Shows 3 dimensions, but no vanishing point, s. 1 point 2 point. Symbols for third angle, right, or first angle, left. First angle projection is the ISO standard and is primarily used in Europe. The 3D object is projected into 2D paper space as if you were looking at an X-ray of the object. The top view is under the front view. The right view is at the left of the front view. Third angle projection is primarily used in the United States and Canada, where it is the default projection system according to BS 8888:2006. The left view is placed on the left, the top view on the top. Orthographic projection is a parallel projection technique in which the parallel lines of sight are perpendicular to the projection plane. Image of a part represented in first angle projection. Orthographic multiview. Draw object from 2-3 perpendicular views. Orthographic multiview. Orthographic multiview. Orthographic view. Orthographic view depends on relative position of the object to the line of sight. 2 dimensions of an object is shown. 3 dimensions of an object is shown. More than one view is needed to represent the object. Multiview drawing. Axonometric drawing. Multiview drawing. Advantage: it represents accurate shape and size. Disadvantage: require practice in writing and reading. Example: multiviews drawing, 2-view drawing. Advantage: easy to understand. Disadvantage: shape and angle distortion. Example: distortions of shape and size in isometric drawing. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.